In this video, we are going to cover combining like terms. So, first, what is a term? I'm going to circle the terms in this equation, these two equations. We have 7y and we have minus 2y. These are two separate terms. We have 3x plus 5x. This is two separate terms. Okay, that is a key point. The minus signs, that's a common tripping point. So it's important to remember that this is one term. Minus 2y is a term. So let's start. It's very easy. We have 7y and we have minus 2y. You can think of this as 7y's minus 2y's. So the answer is 5y. The two terms were combined. Now we have two separate x terms, 3x and 5x, and we have a plus sign in the middle. So this is 3x plus 5x. That's 8x. These are like terms. Now, these two terms, 5y and 8x, let's imagine we were trying to add those. These are not like terms. They have different variables. Two terms with different variables cannot be combined. They're not like terms. So we would say that that was a complete equation. Okay, we're going to move on to something a little more complicated now. We have 6x plus 9 plus 3x minus 4. So now we have four terms, two x terms, then we have two terms with no variable. So again, this is a negative term here. So it's important we remember what that means. A negative term, this is all together, negative 4. All right, we have two positive terms with variables. Sometimes it can be helpful to reorganize this. And we would do so by placing them beside each other. So let's go ahead and write that out. 6x plus 3x plus 9 and minus 4. So we took it from 6x plus 9 plus 3x minus 4 to 6x plus 3x plus 9 minus 4. So now the terms are right beside each other. We have an x term and we have just numbers. So what's 6x plus 3x? We have 9x. And we're adding that, we're adding to 9x, 9 minus 4. So 9 minus 4. We combine these two, 9 and minus 4, to get 5. So our final simplified term is 9x plus 5. Let's move on to the next one. All right. So we have those ever tricky m and n variables. I always get these mixed up when looking at small text. So I'm looking here. Let's go ahead and reorganize this. Let's put all the m terms together just to keep it nice and clean. We have 6m Here we have a minus 2m. We have minus 2m. So we carry that negative sign with us. 6m minus 2m. Okay, then we have 4n. So we have plus 4n. That ever tricky n term is about to get me. So then we have 4n plus 3n. So now we reorganize this equation. These two are equivalent. Let's go ahead and combine like terms. So again, these are the like terms. They have the same variable. These are like terms. They have the same variable. So we have 6m minus 2m is 4m plus 4n plus 3n. That's 7n. That is our combined and simplified equation. Now here's a few equations that I want you to work through. Go ahead and give them a try, and I'll work through this first equation here at the end of the video after you've done it. Okay, let's simplify 9x plus 2y minus 5x plus 4y. And those are interchangeable. Simplify, combine like terms. I'm using those interchangeably. So I see it here. Let's go ahead and reorganize it. We have 9x, okay, minus 5x plus 2y plus 4y. All right, 9x minus 5. We've simplified it here. We have 9 minus 5. That is equal to 4 and 4x. It is 4x. Then we combine positive 2y with positive 4y, and we have 6y. Don't want to forget the plus sign. Plus, very important to keep your signs organized, plus 6y. So now I've shown you a number of examples. Go ahead and work through these two alone. And until next time, this is John with Yearning for Learning.